So special Tall v Small this week. We put a little target in a tree.
We did.
Yes, got some Velcro balls and had a little smash at it.
It looked fun for the juniors, so we thought we'd just join in.
Yeah,
really.
we'll have a go at that. So let's see how we got on. So this week's Tall v Small, we've got some Velcro golf balls, an 8-iron,
And a target. Let's
see how
go.
we get on.
Tall v Small.
That one's close. Oh. The right height as well.
Oh my lord.
Boom! And I clipped the tree on my backswing for the first time out of them all. Just going to leave that there, I think. Oh, that is the closest one yet. Winner, winner, winner.
Didn't do very well.
It wasn't the most impressive, was
Look, just underneath twice.
You were right
Short.
on line, but
Me being short, now there's a shot.
yeah, it was just a bit too tall for you, wasn't it?
Yes,
that
it
one?
was.
So yes, a victory for me there. Make sure you tune in next time to see what happens on Tall v Small. If you do enjoy these videos, please click just up here and subscribe to our channel.
And if you'd like to watch more Tall v Small, then just click up here.
Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.
Thanks a lot.